Start. Oh.
Welcome to a video by Abron Code. This is a hot wire bottle cutter. We have got this bottle cutter. Here we have the control for heating. These are the three cutting wires. You can see that if I increase it, this becomes reddish. I just show you it close up. This one is becoming hot, red hot. It will be. This one will be here. Now see this. This is now red hot. This is also red hot. So I can you can fit the bottle here, and these are adjustable for the length. You can adjust any length or anywhere where you want to cut. So this is a holder for keeping it round, and this one is the adjustment. Here we have the L key. We provide the L key so that you can put it and then tighten it anywhere you want. If it is the height of the bottle mouth is there. Extra wires are provided. After this hot bottle, these wires become hot, you have to just push it down so that it cuts the bottle. It will cut the bottle in the sections you want. If you want to cut here, then you can, if the bottle is longer, if the bottle is shorter, you can do the short these two. You can adjust these also, the length and the distance between these can be adjusted. Very easy. This fuse is provided. This is for voltage and current is there. And this is a control. Here we have the on off switch, and here we have the wire controller connections on the back side. And this, I can show you this. This has to be kept here when not in use without the bottle. And these are the calculations how much distance is the wire cutting section. So these are very easy. Pet bottle instrument. We have all the different kind of pet bottle instruments, like torque testing. Our website is abronexports.com. Email is abron01@gmail.com. Another is 9416020018. And WhatsApp number is 99922222049. Another is 9416020018. These are our emails. This is our website. Share the videos, like the videos, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.